We're good?
Good.
Okay,
Yeah.
well,
Good job.
Thank you.
good job.
My name is Ray Lei. I'm from China, and before arriving here, I was in Berlin doing my bachelor in history and also Central Asia studies. When I was doing my Erasmus exchange program in Budapest, I got to know a very good Italian friend, and she introduced me to this place, and I found it out and found it's really amazing. The academic level is very high with like great professors, and we have a lot of thought-provoking seminars and workshops. But at the same time, you also get the opportunity and you can connect with a real world professional environment, these opportunities with the UNs and here all of the organizations. So I find it's really attractive, and it's also really great to be here. And also in Geneva because I love the nature. I love mountains and skiing, hiking. So yeah, I enjoyed here. One class I really enjoy this semester is Urban Study Workshop, so The Power of Cities, taught by Bernard Kuhl. He's really a great professor and his class is really engaging, interactive, and he's always encouraging us to participate, not just being there, but you have to have your own opinion and you have to be courageous enough to express it. And also I found it's really interesting because at the same time, we have the seminars with a lot of discussion, but at the same time, every 2 or 3 weeks, we got the chance to get out and to do a field work, and we even visited the UN archive, and it was really great. As part of the history program, we also have the opportunity to get access to other programs and other courses taught by professors from for example, from Mint or International Relations. And I just found the quality and the quantity of the courses are also so great. So you got the chance to talk, to discuss, and to exchange ideas with professors and your fellow students. I really love the outdoor initiative. They organize cold swimming. I've only been once, but it was really great. And also hiking to Salève and a ski trip to Port du Soleil. I participated both, and it was really amazing to meet all of the people and do this. One highlight for me at the Institute is the people, especially in my HPI program, my history track. They are really amazing, and I really like the atmosphere, the good vibes we have all together. Because we organize things together, and we hang out, we go to library to study together. It was really amazing, because before I didn't really have this kind of experience. Here, we are small, but we are really interactive, and we are really friendly with everybody. We're really close to each other, like a family.